Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. Now today we will start the explanation of the second chapter. At the starting the introduction, okay, the algebraic expression, okay, the algebraic expression, okay, the second chapter is which one? The second chapter is the polynomials. Okay, now what do you mean by the polynomials? The algebraic expression that containing the number of terms that is considered as the polynomial. If it is one term are there in the algebraic expression, it is called monomial. If it is two terms is there, it is called binomial. If it is three terms are there, it is called trinomial, and if it more than three terms, it is considered as the polynomial. As well as you can consider the binomial and the trinomial also in the polynomial. Understand? Okay. Now after that, now what do you mean by the polynomial in one variable? Understand? So the polynomial in one variable, that is what the algebraic expression that containing a single variable. सिर्फ आपको जो algebraic expression है उसमें सिर्फ एक ही और एक ही variable होगा. Understand? उसके अलावा और कोई वेरिएबल नहीं है. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग हियर वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल. ओके, यहाँ सॉरी मैं दो एग्जांपल लिखता हूँ. ओके, इसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कौन सा पॉलीनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल है और कौन सा पॉलीनोमियल इज नॉट इन द वन वेरिएबल. ओके, इट हैज मोर देन वन वेरिएबल. ओके, सपोज आई एम राइटिंग हियर x² + 2x + 1. Okay, so no doubt it is a polynomial. Okay, and how much variable does it contain? So it contains only a single variable, which one? It is x. Understand? But instead of that, if I am writing x² plus xy minus 1. Okay, so you can't consider this as a polynomial in one variable. Why? Because it contains two variables, which one? The x variable as well as the y variable. Understand or not? Okay, so the polynomial in one variable, that is what? The polynomial that contains a single variable. Okay, सिर्फ एक ही variable होगा, उसके अलावा और कोई variable नहीं होगा. Understand or not? Okay, now the next one, what do you mean by the terms? Okay, suppose I am taking here one of the example, that is the first example, x² + 2x + 1. Okay, suppose I am taking this as a polynomial. देखो मैं ये polynomial ले रहा हूँ. Okay, अब यहाँ मुझे terms बतानी है. What do you mean by the terms? So here this is called terms. This is x², then 2x and 1. All these three are considered as terms. Okay, तो यहाँ ये वाले polynomial में कितने terms है? तीन terms हैं, x², 2x and 1. Understand or not? Okay, so these things are considered as terms. इसको क्या बोला जाता है भाई? Terms बोला जाता है. Understand or not? Now the next thing, that what do you mean by coefficient? x² minus 11x plus 4. Okay, here I am writing one of the polynomial in one variable. Okay, यहाँ मैंने polynomial in one variable लिखा हुआ है. Okay, अब मैं अगर आपको पूछता हूँ that what do you mean by coefficient? Okay, so listen here, the number, the known value or the known digit, okay, as well as any of the digit or any of the letter or any of the number that is associated with the variable, that is called a coefficient. जैसे यहाँ पर देखो ये x² है. Okay, it is a form of variable x². अब यहाँ देखो इसके साथ कोई नंबर नहीं है, that is what we are considering 1 here. So here 1 is called a coefficient. Understand? 1 is called a coefficient of x². In the same way, here it is 11. But we have to consider the sign. Okay, 11 का जो sign है उसको आपको consider करनी है. So हम अगर मैं आपको पूछता हूँ that what is the coefficient of x, so you have to give the answer that the coefficient of x is -11, not 11 basically. Okay, so in this way you can give the coefficient. means इस तरह आप coefficient अगर आप पूछा गया है तो आप बता सकते हैं. एक और example लेता हूँ. Suppose I am taking y² minus 4y, sorry I am taking 5y³ minus 4y² plus 55y minus 11. Suppose I am taking this one of the polynomial. Okay, in of one variable, means एक polynomial जिसमें one variable. Okay, now अब यहाँ मैं पूछता हूँ कि what is the coefficient of y. So यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है y वाली टर्म कौन सी है? यहाँ ये. ठीक है, अब इसका coefficient क्या है? So here it is the coefficient. Understand? So you can say that 55 is the coefficient of y. In the same way, -4 is the coefficient of y². In the same way, 1 is the coefficient of the y. Understand? Now the next thing. Okay, अब एक और चीज बताता हूँ आपको कि भाई कौन से एक्सप्रेशन को पोलिनोमियल नहीं बोला जाएगा. That which expression you will not consider it as a polynomial. Okay, so please all of you concentrate here. इसके लिए मैं एक और चीज मैं आपको बोल देता हूँ that the algebraic expression in which the power, Okay, keep this in mind what I am telling you. The power of the variable is not a whole number. अगर कोई पोलिनोमियल में वेरिएबल का पावर जो है वो अगर होल नंबर नहीं है तो वो एक्सप्रेशन को क्या बोला जाएगा, वह पोलिनोमियल नहीं बोला जाएगा। कीप दिस इन माइंड। सपोज आई एम राइटिंग हियर दैट x square minus square root of 2x 2 root x, okay, plus 1. Okay, so whether you can consider it as a variable or not. Okay, so listen here, sorry, whether you can consider it as a polynomial or not, understand or not. So according to it, okay, here just see these are the power of x. Okay, if I am writing it in the form of the power, so x square minus 2x raised to half plus. Okay, so suppose if I am writing in this way, so here just see the power of x, that is equal to how much, half, understand or not. As the power of x is half, that means what? It is not considered in the polynomial, understand or not. Suppose I am taking another example. Yeah, suppose the another example is root x plus 1. Okay, so here just see all of you the power of x. Okay, I am writing, suppose it is a cube root of x plus 1. Okay, cube root of x plus 5. So I can write it as in the form x raised to 1 by 3 plus 5. So just concentrate here. The power of the variable, that is x. x का power यहाँ क्या है, 1 by 3 है, so you can't consider it as a variable, understand or not. That means what? If the power of the variable is not in the whole number. Okay, अगर वेरिएबल का जो पावर है अगर वो होल नंबर में नहीं है, understand or not. If it is in the form of the any other, means in the p by q form, okay, so you can't consider that thing in the polynomial, understand or not. Now the next thing is the degree of polynomial. What do you mean by the degree of polynomial? Okay, suppose I am writing x cube minus 2x square plus 7x minus 11. Suppose this is one of the variable. Okay, now if I want to ask that what do you mean by the degree of the variable? So the degree of the variable, okay, of the the degree of the polynomial, this polynomial is given to you. Okay, and if I want to ask that what is the degree of this polynomial, so here the degree of this polynomial, that is nothing, that is the highest power of the variable. Means यहाँ जो भी variable है उसका maximum power कितना है, understand or not. Okay, so here with the maximum power of x, that is equal to how much, 3. So the degree of above polynomial is equal to how much, 3. जो polynomial आपको दिया जाएगा, okay, उसकी अगर आपको पूछा जाता है कि भाई डिग्री ऑफ polynomial क्या है, तो वहाँ आपको क्या देखना है, जो वेरिएबल यहाँ देखो वेरिएबल कौन सा है, x है, उसका मैक्सिमम पावर कितना वो आपको देखना है। देखो सपोज 3 है, so you can have to write in this way that this degree is equal to how much, 3, understand or not. Okay, so this by this, suppose I am taking another example, x raised to 4 minus 11x square plus 5. Okay, so what is the degree of this polynomial? The maximum power of x, that is equal to how much, 4. So 4 is considered as the degree of polynomial. If you understand or not. Now proceeding to the next step. Okay, that what do you mean by the linear polynomial, then what do you mean by the quadratic polynomial, and what do you mean by the cubic polynomial. Okay, so first of all linear polynomial. Linear polynomial किसको बोला जाता है कि जो polynomial में डिग्री ऑफ polynomial 1 होता है उसको बोला जाता है linear polynomial। इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर कोई भी polynomial लिखा है और अगर उसमें वेरिएबल का मैक्सिमम पावर 1 है तो उसको बोला जाएगा क्या, linear polynomial. Suppose I am writing here one of the example that 2x plus 5. Here I am writing it as 2x plus 5. Okay, so just concentrate here. What is the degree of polynomial? Okay, what is the degree of, means x के power में क्या value है, that is 1. So here the degree of polynomial is how much, 1. So you can consider it as a linear polynomial. Now the next one is the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial किसको बोला जाता है, if the degree of the polynomial is 2 is called, that polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Means जो polynomial की डिग्री अगर 2 है तो उसको बोला जाएगा quadratic polynomial. जैसे यहाँ एक एग्जांपल लिखता हूँ मैं, x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so just concentrate here. The degree of this polynomial is the maximum power of the variable, that is equal to how much, 2. So this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Now the next one is the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial किसको बोला जाता है? If the degree of the polynomial is 3, then that polynomial is called a cubic polynomial. Understand or not? Okay. So suppose I am taking one example in this here. तो यहाँ देखो इसकी डिग्री कितनी है? यहाँ मैंने आंसर लिखा हुआ ऑलरेडी, that is 3. So this polynomial is called what? Cubic polynomial. Understand or not? Okay. So that's all for today. Okay. So we will continue next topic from our next period. Okay. So please concentrate here. Okay, as well as see the video carefully in order to understand the explanation related to the second chapter, that is the polynomial. Understand or not? So thank you very much and have a good day for all of you. Allah Hafiz.